This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Royal AM 1. My brother, how's it?
Sure, my brother. Thank you very much, my brother.
Sharpman, you are a Royal AM supporter. How do you feel about the results tonight?
Yeah, actually, today I'm happy regardless lose. I want to congratulate my team, my brother.
Yeah.
You know, even though we are in a serious crisis with PSL, but our team shows the character.
Yeah. Because I've seen, you have considered, a goal in the first 5 minutes, and I think that's the thing that demoralized you. But at least you came back strong.
And the mistake came from the back line, and it was the mistake of the back line. They were too much relaxed, too much confident. That is the reason. But at least they managed to come back, and most of our game, they lose concentration on last minute. I don't know where does that come from. But I think they're coming next game. This is morale, is a boost morale to them.
You can't sign players, new players. It has been now 2 years. This is the third season. What message can you give to your management in terms of what they are supposed to do? To be specific, they are supposed to pay Nekovic the money so that they can be able to acquire new players. What's your message to your management?
No, thank you, Ngobo, for asking me that question. I promise you, on January we'll be definitely sure we'll be signing. Everything will be in fight.
Yeah.
Our management is working very hard on that one. But definitely sure on January transfer window we will be signing the players.
And what can you say about your goalkeeper, Olan?
Very much improved, my brother. I can tell you. I give him 2 seasons. He will be national. He will be a national material, national goalkeeper.
Not even 2 seasons. I mean, he has been doing well. Maybe even next month, Hugo Broos can call him.
Exactly, my brother. He's winning the games for us. It's just we lack the goal. We lack the goals. We lack goals.
Exactly.
But most of the games, he keeps us alive.
He
keeps us alive, my brother. I want to tell you that.
Your message to your supporters?
They must try to support the team. They must try, even though it's hard times. But if you can see the management tried to their best. But to the supporters, I'm appealing to them to come and support the team. And the true supporters you can see in this time. When the team is in difficulty, you will see that the supporters, my brother.
No, thank you so much, my brother. All the best in future.
Thank you, my brother.
Sure.